swear I'm never going to get the keying on this green screen correct. Sorry for my tardiness. I'll do this. Oh, that's right, that's how I fix it. Oh, almost fixed it. Filters. Chroma key. Similarity. Oh god. Do we need to smooth this up or something? Make it some more grainy. Just these corners are so dark. I'm just gonna fuck with the settings the whole time. Oh, it's this corner that's messed up. Oh well. I guess it's okay, whatever. If it's annoying, let me know. Apologies for my tardiness, guys. So after a bunch of researching yesterday, we didn't really come to a consensus, and I ended up chatting a little bit more with the projects on what decentralized storages are best. And yeah, we didn't come to a great consensus, but I think at this point, like, just pick one, go with it, and we'll just try all of them at some point. So this is the one we don't want to use. This is the one we would want to use, but it's proof of work. This one we want to use. This one we want to use. This one we want to use. This one we don't want to use. This one we would want to use. This one I think at this point I do want to use this. This one, it's proof of work, so I don't really want to use it, but I've spent the most time kind of learning about it. And this one it appears to me that this one's the clearest. So I think we just try ceramic because I know the least about it, even though I've chatted with the, oh shit. Oh, they changed a bunch of stuff. Because let's just one more thing. What does it do? Mutable append only logs of linked commits signed by the owners. DID decentralized ID anchored in a blockchain for strict ordering, content backed up to a data warehouse. Immutable document identifiers which never need to change. Filecoin backup. Arweave backup? Wait, what the? Polkadot anchoring. just wish it was more. Because like I had notes on it, and I guess showed you guys the notes before. Why ceramic? Oh my god. Read the overview. That's right. Ceramic is a public design server that never manage mutable information on the open internet without databases or servers. In Ceramic, all content is stored in smart documents, which are append-only IPFS logs. Each commit is signed by a DID for variability, blah, 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 anchored to the blockchain for consensus. Because Ceramic is built on a completely peer-to-peer network, all documents are openly shareable. It can be referenced by other documents or queried by other participants. Let's see the Ceramic website. Yeah, we did that. So each commit is signed by a DID. Okay. All contents which are append-only IPFS logs. For each commit. So where are these logs stored? Let's just try their demo app. Oh, I have tried this thing. You know, let's just build shit. You know what? So is it not good for sensitive content? Yeah, no. I mean, you'll find most of this stuff in the blockchain space is not great for sensitive content because it's you know, it's an open blockchain. I don't think any of this is good for like any of these solutions I'm looking at are good for sensitive content. Like this one might be. Well, no, because this one's still just like a open blockchain. This is still open blockchain. This is still open blockchain. Open. I don't know. Open. Yeah. So they're all open blockchains. So none of them are good for sensitive content. Luckily, what I'm working with isn't sensitive. Yeah, that's something like theoretically it makes sense, right? You can just like store it and encrypt it and drop it on chain, but in practice, I don't know. An API for interfacing with remote ceramic daemon over HTTP. An API for running the entire ceramic protocol in local JavaScript environments. Command line interface. Okay, which one do I want to use? Let's just do the HTTP one for now, just to like keep it. CD make dir ceramic. Well, let's just go. Let's just do it. I have to do some Node.js stuff. I'm already like, I don't want to use this anymore. Maybe this one has a Python client. Why does this one feel like not decentralized? This is all like your private cloud. Like, I don't want a private cloud. Oh, this one? It doesn't feel like it's a decentralized blockchain. It just feels like it's a bunch of products. Right? Like, I don't. Filecoin versus Arweave. Alright, well. I mean, maybe that makes sense then. Whatever, we're just gonna start trying some shit. Let's see if they have a Python client. Also, I'm not totally sure which one of these products are the correct ones. So 0Chain net, 0Storj, private, reduce the risk of privacy, data breaching, prison. I mean, I don't want that. 0Storj. Configurable, secure, destorage with private sharing. See, I don't want private sharing. I just want, like, yeah, I'm probably going to use JavaScript for all these. Let's just use it then. Your node, yourceramicnode.com. Is that just like proof of existence? I don't know. I'll have to look into it more. Why do I have a API URL? Yourceramicnode.com. What? Connect to a node. How do I connect to a node? Node options. When using the HTTP API, you connect to a remote ceramic node by passing its URL. Here are your options for nodes that run on the Clay testnet. Provides read-only access. Community dev node provides write and read access to the Clay testnet. This node is occasionally wiped. It does not guarantee document persistence. Run your own node provides write and read access to the clay testnet. Running your own node allows you to persist documents and have full control. However, this process is not yet well documented. If you choose to run your own node, be sure to add your node to the peer list by submitting a pull request. This allows other nodes to discover your node. Okay. So what's the incentive layer for this? Like, why, if I run my own node and I dump a bunch of smart doc keys in it, how do other nodes pick it up? Pinning. Now I'm like, okay, I'm confused here again. Whatever, let's just go. By default, garbage collect, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so let's use core on second thought, so we can run our own node. Core client. Aha, there's more stuff for the core stuff. So how do I run this node? Ceramic daemon, okay. Yeah, it's basically an IPFS L2. Oh, so I should have started with the quick start page, huh? I'll just do everything for the via the CLI. Okay, we'll just create everything via the CLI. Yeah, I don't understand how the incentive layer works. So if I run my ceramic node and I have all these smart documents, how does it persist? Is this when I do have to make a Filecoin or an Arweave backup? It looked like those were like plugins for this thing. Maybe I just do both. Seems overkill to have like, it's like, I feel like that's like using like MongoDB and Postgres. Like why? Like you don't. Although maybe that has value in this blockchain realm. Okay. And we have wonderful NPM stuff here. Ceramic daemon. No configurations. There are multiple options you can run. Network. Clay test. Okay, so great. Ceramic daemon H to see additional options. Okay. it feels like Skynet is the cleanest out of all these so far. Like it makes the most sense to me. And usually that's a good sign when something makes sense. But it's proof of work. Arweave also makes sense to me. Because I ended up tweeting with the guy who made it. There seem to be attack vectors, like, pretty easy for Arweave, though. Like, the randomness. They pick a random, like, recall block, and that's the block that they're like, okay, this is the one. What's the main win for Skynet? It's just, like, it feels like the cleanest interface. It's just like, hey, add your thing here. We'll proof of work. Oh, Lamau, Skynet's yeah. It's just like add your thing here. We'll proof of work it, and congrats, it's here. And then it's like, to address all issues possible, including breaking changes. Do people do this? I hate NPM. Where does see? Use similar to Filecoin makes nodes send proof that they have the data. They have contract agreements, redundancies built in. So it's just like you set up like an agreement with. It feels like very Filecoin-esque. Yeah, that's what I think it is. So. But why am I trying ceramic first? Yeah, it's like more Ethereum-y, I guess. That's really it. Ceramic Damien. I do like that. It's just one command. I guess I could open up a new thing and stop fucking with that. Ceramic API running on port. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know. The decentralized storage world I'm still figuring out. Create content. Foobar. Listening on port. So if I go to like, is this where it is? Does it have a UI? Oh, is that right? Oh, so this is right. So I think I just run my own node when I'm testing here. Okay, great. Ceramic title, content foobar. Is done yet? Nope. Can they, like? Okay, it's driving me crazy. We're fixing this. I'm doing my open source due diligence. Yep, I'm fixing that right now. I'm insane. It's gonna drive me crazy. Good clone. CD JS. Let's go into the docs. Let's find where that stupid thing is. We'll side journey. Update later. Docs guides. Great. is this thing? Are the docs not in here? I'm so upset. Doc source. Oh my god. So like the docs actually aren't. Oh, so the docs are like hosted themselves actually, so never mind, I take it back. That's too bad. The docs aren't open source. Anyways, what do we have going on here? We have our node running. Cool. Localhost. Great. You love to see it. We have this, which does this. Content foobar. And then we get an error. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I was late to the party today too, don't worry. And I'm running into an issue already. Raw methods.cwd. Ceramic create tile content bar. I thought this did work. More options. Oh, that doesn't even work. Oh, it's because I'm in. Oops. Yeah, I was just in the wrong thing. That's my bad. Okay, yeah, we're good. So I should see it on. So we don't see like an API go in here. Okay. Damien, start, create, change. So can I do, is there like a list? Oh, that's cool. There's like watch, commits, pin, config, help. Okay, so I created it. Query document. Ceramic show. Is that in the help? Ceramic show. Oh, yeah. So now I can do ceramic show and then just the doc ID. Okay, cool. Show you doc ID. Use the state command to query this to query the entire state of a document. Oh, well that's kind of cool. Anchor scheduled for 7:30 a.m. So it's scheduled in 10 minutes. Interesting. Okay. Update the document. Okay, change. Yep. Create a schema. In Ceramic, you can force that document to adhere to a specified schema. Who's paying the gas to anchor it? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the incentive layer myself. I think I'm just gonna like do a bunch of shit and then I'm gonna like just go into their Discord and just ask a billion questions because that's how I learned the best. Do I gonna use the schema? Okay, blah blah blah. that's cool. You can force a schema. That's it. Okay. Cool. I like the CLI. I'm with the CLI. So let's do the core. I think we did install core, right? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. CD, ceramic, LS. Do I have... Oh my god. Yeah, man, there's a lot of this, like, I don't understand the incentive structure. Dude, I want to just do this all day. Wouldn't that be nice if I could just, like, tinker all day? That would be the dream, guys. But that's why I love my job. Because I get to just wake up and tinker. Core. Oh, wait. Oh, so I don't need core. Wait. I'm going to just use this one. Right? Because could I just do this? Oh my god, this shit takes forever. I wonder if it works with local. Sometimes there's weird shit. Yeah, you just need to use that dev network that allows write. The dev network that allows write? What you talking about, Willis? Community dev node and node options. There was community dev nodes. Ceramic, change. There's something here I'm totally missing. It was on quick start. This page? Am I blind? Is it core? What? I mean, I think I probably could just do this, right? HTTP. Yeah, I don't need core, right? Oh, this is what you're talking about. Right. Yeah. I'm being an idiot. I'm gonna use mine for now, see if that works. Oh, localhost. Oh wait, I can't use localhost. Provides read access to the Clay testnet. Writes made to this local node will only be available to nodes in the peer list, but will not be available to other nodes in the network. Users need to first have a ceramic daemon running local using the CLI. Oh, okay. So we're good. Okay. Oh wait, run your own node. Provides you to persist documents and full control. However, this is a process now you will document it. You can choose. Right, we just read this. So what's the difference between this and this? Whatever. Oh, that's okay. I got it. All right, I'm with it. So let's try this. So how do I? Yeah. So what do I do now? Authentication. Do I have to authenticate? This guy will help you add users to authenticate your projects. Authentication is needed when you want to perform writes. If you don't want to perform queries, you don't need it. Okay, so then let's do this. Installed. I did. Choose your setup. DID method. The first step in adding authentication to your project is choosing which DID method you want to support for user accounts. Due to the mutability and security, it's recommended that you use 3ID DID for users. 3ID. Okay. A complete and flexible DID method built on ceramic. Do I have to learn about it? Okay, let's just do this one. Son of a bitch. Different form of KYC. Well, it's like, I mean, you can be anonymous though. So you just, when you do a write, you just have to like sign it basically. Blockchain auth provider. What? Anything when you want to perform writes. Do I automatically authenticate through the CLI? Decentralized ID method you want to use. Let's just do this because I don't know what Ethereum auth provider is from 3ID Connect. Okay, let's just do that. Blockchain auth provider. The blockchain auth provider parameter is always required, but the name shown here is just a placeholder. In your application, you should substitute in the specific blockchain auth provider using a full list of supported blockchain auth providers can be found here. Okay. Ethereum, Filecoin, Polkadot. All right, let's just use Ethereum. Request the user's blockchain address. Await window dot Ethereum dot enabled. Probably user with 3ID connected permissions below. Ethereum. Can just be like that. Oh, right. Now perform writes on ceramic using their DID. So this makes me do it through the window. So if I want to just run it as a script, I have to do like doing writes. Okay, let's just go with this for now. Why can I make a... Maybe I do just mess with Filecoin somehow. Why do how come I can create documents without this use import statements outside of a module. This is where my JavaScript, this is where my lack of JavaScript comes in. See, like, I don't want to use Python and JavaScript. It's such a nightmare. So you can create just JSON objects using create, but to have metadata, use create document. Hello there. Hey, how's it going? I'm not sure. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure. This is where I'm just a big idiot. So what am I doing wrong? Type module in the package JSON. To load ES module, set type module in the package of JSON or use the .mjs. This is why I fuck with Python. No, AlphaVantage is a YC company. AlphaChain is not. Do you guys know how to fix this? I don't work with JavaScript enough to know what the hell. To load an ES module, set type module in the package.json. Have I ever had to do this before? Oh, use module, experimental. Wait. Expected reserved word. Because I have to do like, what, it's like what, function, async, run or something, right? Now I'm being a big idiot. GitHub. Yeah, and I'm like clearly dense to setting up the regular structure. Because I don't need to export it as a module, right? So I mean, this is a good way for me to like learn more JavaScript stuff. So I think I could just do this, right? Async run. And now I have a run function. I can just run or something. No. I could do like type CommonJS, which does not support named exports. CommonJS modules can be imported by importing the default export. Import package from 3D Connect. So I can do this. Okay. Run is not defined. How do I run this then? This is equivalent to doing like async function, right? Or do I just need to, or do I just do it like this? Oh, shit. That's where I learn more. Oh, did this do it? What it wanted to do? No, it did not. Okay. So I just need to, shit, how do you run a async function? Async function. Do I have to do async? Oh, do I have to do it like that? Async function run. Or do I just... Right, because that's the weird syntax. So then now I should just do run. Fuck, okay. Ceramic client is not a constructor. Number 6. Ceramic client is not a constructor. Type error. Okay, that's... Yeah, see, this is where I just need to like be awesome with JavaScript, and I'm just not, because I defining an object like this because I fuck with Python. The code is posted. So define function. mean, this is wrong anyways. Like, I'm gonna have to fix that. Why are you creating a new project like that with the function? So is it saying like this is a, what the docs are wrong? Our client is not a function. Okay, it's not a function and it's not a constructor. Is it type of in JavaScript or type? I forget what it is. It's an object, okay. Type error, server client is not a constructor. So, but it's not a constructor. Constructor. It looks like it is a constructor. API host, string. Config. Do I have to do it like this? No. I mean, it looks like it does have a constructor. New ceramic client. New ceramic client. Import. Yep. Okay. It's not a constructor. Because this is saying it's like a function, but it's clearly error function. They cannot be used as constructors. Who's in percent outside of module? Oh my god. I could always just write everything in Python and then just like hard code the Python to the CLI. That sounds super wonky though. Time is at 7:46. Okay. Whatever happened to It's not a constructor. So it's saying it's like a function or something. So let's just do Okay, so let's try this. NPM test. To make a whole JavaScript file async. Load scripts asynchronously. Probably can't do that. This is why I have a Medium account. It's like $50 a year, hashtag worth. Async function run. Oh, okay. Excuse me. So this, I'm not doing any auth here, but I'm creating a document. So I get the same thing. I'm looking at some other people who are running into some ceramic issues. Maybe it's due to this thing. Then we're kind of using import statements outside of module. Can I just like do like yarn or some shit? Now I'm gonna get a yarn.lock. Do I always have to do that module.export then? Like this? Do I always have to do this? Or do I have to put this in like its own thing? Can I use import statements outside of module? Do I use import statements here? Nope. I guess I do just put it in here. Type module. Yes, if not React. Can I do this? Or do I have to wrap like this whole thing into like this? So do I have to like go like that for the whole thing? That seems insane, right? Is this what I have to do? Wrap. Yep. Can I delete this? Yep. Okay, I gotta do this. That seems gross, but like, now what? Now do I do like callback? It goes async. Okay, so I don't need this. And then in my package lock, I can just get rid of this then. Cool. Can I use import statements outside module? So I do need this in here then. Just on the function. What if we chat? You wanna pop in here, perchance? Put the export on the function only, maybe. Okay. I'm looking for one of my examples because I had this problem before. So, yeah, I've run into this myself too, and that's why I like came back to here and I was like, where else have I done this? If Dawson has anything cool here. Scripts. Build clientable account master. Oh, this is TypeScript though. So he just does it right like this. Do I have to do like... Oh, do I have to do like that? Like this? Then I get this weird error again. It's the same thing with identity wallet. What a weird language, huh? Like, what is going on? Do I need to do, like, a wait? Or some shit? I mean, like, I really should be better at this shit, though. Because, like, everyone else uses JavaScript, and I just want everyone to not... You know, maybe this is a sign. I hate fucking not using some shit just because I don't want to use JavaScript now. It's so weak. I mean, like, see, this I'm with, though, right? Because it's just like, here's the curl. Does this have, like, a curl? Can I curl? Can I just, like, hit directly the endpoint? Do I have to use their freaking SDK? Because at the end of the day, like, I just really need it to be a external adapter, right? Like, I don't need to... I mean, I could just... Let's see, guys. Yeah, I know. And that's why I'm like, But it's proof of work. I'm not trying to do proof of work, you know. Blockchain, CLI, common. Source. TypeScript, CLI utils. Create daemon. I'm looking to see if they're just pinging like they're probably just making API calls to a HTTP client. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Oh. So I should be able to do curls then if I have this. Okay, let's just do this. You guys ready for this? Remove. Remove ceramic. Remove package. Touch. Ceramic.py. You guys ready for this shit? I probably should write this in Go actually. This is gonna be slow as fuck external adapter. This .api URL. API host. Combine URLs. API host. Ceramic host. Ceramic host. Ceramic path. Okay, so that's it. That's just the endpoint. Okay. Yeah, I feel like Go is probably better, but let's just do it in Python for now. I can probably swap to Go faster if I do it in Python first. So here does it have ceramic API API reference ceramic. Is there an API reference HTTP API? Well, just manually make it. I should just fucking came here first instead of trying to use their stupid ass bullshit. So if I do this, import requests. What's wrong? Request imported but used. Well, API path, that thing. API path 2. Value equals request dot get ceramic host plus API path 2 doc ID documents doc ID, so then I can just do this API path 2 dot format. What's the doc ID? Yeah, install that shit. Fuck. No, wait. Go back. Shit, I don't have the... Let's just restart the... Let's restart this, actually. Ceramic daemon. Okay, cool. Ceramic. Create. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Ceramic create tile content foobar. Can you work? Okay, cool. Add a format. Boom. Okay, let's see this. Clear. Print value. Python ceramic.py. Okay. Here we go. Value. What's it? Value.json. Value dot JSON. There it is. Content foobar. There you go. Okay. Print. Print value. JSON. Or response. Response. Okay. And now we're good to go. Okay, cool. Now we can do shit. Fuck yeah. All right, we're good. We'll just use the HTTP. We'll just use the API. What's the queries? I should have just done this from the start. Just use the API. Cool. Okay, well, shit works. All right. Well, now I know that how to use it. And now I know that it's actually pretty easy. I still don't really understand the incentive structure. I'm just gonna go down to their Discord and be like, never mind. Which README is that? Looks outdated. Never mind. Just using the raw HTTP client worked for me. How do the nodes stay incentivized to keep the data up? Or is Ceramic just a front end for IPFS? It's just not a front end, a portal for IPFS. All right, well, now we're going to find out the question. Like, how does this make any sense? It looks like someone's online to answer some questions. All right, well, I'm just happy, like, I'm just happy that we can do shit now. I feel stupid that I'm not using JavaScript, but whatever. No, they're not responding to me. No. Yeah, I mean, because I can just build an external adapter super easy. I probably would want it to be a Go external adapter. But I'm like not sure what the incentive structure is. You know what I'm saying? Like multi-queries, commits, sure. Pin. The pin's API endpoint must be used to manipulate the pin set. Pin set is list document that node maintains a setup. So if I pin, like, what's the difference? See, now it feels like IPFS, you know? And it like has plugins and stuff, right? So okay, so cool. So we're good. Pinning. I mean, yeah, like, I mean, now that I have the raw API, like, we're good to go, like, whatever. Ceramic blockchain. But now we need to understand the incentive structure. Maybe their YouTube video has the answer. Or maybe I'm just barking up the wrong tree, guys. I feel like there isn't an incentive layer here. I feel like it's probably too early. I think it's just too early, man. I'm just in too early. So then what would the next one be? It would be like Arweave that I could try. Oh no, Arweave is proof of work. So then it just goes back to Filecoin. Because Filecoin's at least proof of stake. But it's yeah, this one's contract. Storj deals and retrieve deals. Storj deals are an agreement between clients and storage miners to store some data on the network. Once the deal is initiated, the miner has received the data to store. Repeatedly prove to the chain that it was storing the data per the agreement so that it can collect rewards. If not, the miner will be slashed and lose fill. All right, so it's proof of stake. I feel like I just used Filecoin here. Let's try Filecoin. Proto School tutorial. I mean, this one makes more sense, at least. I think we just use Filecoin. What is this one? Proto School tutorial. Yeah, okay. And proof of a storage miner proves that they are storing physically. Yep, okay. I mean, just once at the time the data is first stored by the miner. Filling sectors and intercomedy. As a storage miner receives each piece of client data, they place it into a sector. Sectors are fundamental units of storage. Next process called sealing takes place. During sealing, the sector data is encoded through a sequence of graph and hashing to create a unique replica. Oh, wait, what if we did, so we store it in Filecoin and then the graph, like, puts it up? Yeah, now I'm thinking, like, maybe I wonder if the graph can do this better. That's not what the graph's for. Alright, so they do some weird cryptographic shit. So this also does that random shit. So the only thing that I'm like upset about is that it looks like, you know, I just have to like create a bunch of fucking agreements. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think I do need to have a bunch of agreements. So that kind of sucks, but I get it. I mean, it's kind of similar to like the Chainlink stuff where like I need to pick a bunch of nodes. So it looks like Slate is like a paid for service. I'm chatting with them in the Discord. So I make multiple deals with multiple nodes, right? I don't ever want to have my data have just one single agreement, yes. The more deals for the same data, the better. Go to Slate, okay, install and launch your Lotus node. See, like, check out the existing networks. Is there a testnet for core testing new code? So I don't want to use Slate. So I don't want to launch a Lotus node because this thing is massive. They have a testnet I can send stuff to. Probably use this, right? Let's just try the test net if they can. Right, and this is what I was researching before. Hosted Powergate, so they have like this is like a paid for service, and they put their stuff on IPFS to make it quick, but they also have like Filecoin. Like I just want to send some data to a testnet. Like that's what I want to do. Shit. How do I see like the winners? Oh, these guys use? Oh, they use textile buckets. Those are smart people. Subsocial. Oh. Yeah, let's look for the Filecoin ones. 0 projects use Filecoin? Oh my god. Okay, so a ton of projects use IPFS. So no projects use Filecoin. Really? Wow. Well, it looks like that one, they use textile though. Career information. I mean, this is clearly Filecoin. Why is that not? Oh, yeah, okay. So there are more Filecoin stuff here. Well, that's a cool idea. Decentralized. Well, no. So they didn't quite finish. So it's probably pulling. I think the review from a few days ago indicating how slow Filecoin is would push many groups away. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of finding out. So that's why you do a hosted power game, right? Because Filecoin is like the archive, but you use IPFS as like your hot database, if you will. Almost as like a cache or something. I'm still trying to figure out like what does ceramic do? I mean, the good thing is I was able to quickly like add something, you know, like that was cool. To ceramic, but I just don't know it feels like I want to use this, but I just don't get it. Yeah, I don't get it. Yeah, this is kind of huge. I just want to know like what the incentive is for like a node to store the data, right? Like, because I can create a smart contract or a smart document, which is great, but then I don't like do other nodes pick it up? Is it pinky promises? Like I just don't understand why another node would ever pick up the because like if I have a shit ton of data, like I just don't get it. It looks like it's just IPFS. The pins API, it's like an abstraction for IPFS. I don't. Is that what it? Maybe it's just a portal to IPFS. Like maybe it just abstracts away like having to deal with the hashes and shit. Like maybe that's all it does. But like, Why do I need the ceramic thing for that? Anchor service. Like I just like what like. Right. So you still have a doc ID. So yeah, IPFS with a DID ended up. Yeah, I don't see a huge incentive to use it yet. So yeah, there's like, what do I? So I feel like because of that, I'm like, okay, like I don't care anymore. Filecoin makes sense because it's like it's adding these contracts, but it's just like it looks like it's a bitch to like do anything. It looks like it's a bitch to do anything yourself. It looks like if you want to use a service, like you can do it. Like hosted Powergate. So like hosted Powergate, it's like yeah, it's like a company, and like I could pay them to do this, and like I mean I will have to pay people, but you know, I just and then Arweave is like proof of work. Because of that, I'm like not a big fan. I mean, let's maybe we just say fuck it and we just like use ceramic until until we figure out whatever's better, or where the Arweave docs. Maybe we just say fuck it and we just use Arweave, and I'm just pissing and moaning too much. Because Arweave, like I get you add it to it. They do that random testing, blah, blah, blah. The docs on this are shit, though. Filecoin is proof of work, too? Oh, well, then I'm not trying to use Filecoin either. I thought it was proof of stake. No, Filecoin's proof of stake. Because they have, yeah, Filecoin's proof of stake. Yeah, no, it's proof of stake. Because you make agreements, and then they put up collateral. And then if they can't do it, they get the boot. Oh, you good? Maybe we're just not like at a place where like we can do this shit, or maybe I just use ceramic because it's like, or maybe I do just use Skynet. We need decentralized web hosting to go mainstream because IMO. Maybe I say fuck it. I just use this stupid fucking proof of work bullshit. I mean, I can turn this to an external adapter easy too. I'm just like analysis paralysis right now. I'm like, which one do I use, guys? Because all right, so let's go back here. Alrighty, let's just go. All right, ease of use, easy. Ceramic, Skynet. Hard, Filecoin. Ceramic, Skynet. Raw, IPFS. Hard, Filecoin. Shit. Actually, no. Not decentralized. Storj. So that's an immediate DQ. Not decentralized. Disqualified. Ceramic. It's easy to use. Incentive structure unclear. Skynet. Proof of work. Yuck. Raw IPFS. No incentive structure. Hard. Filecoin. Lotus node is massive. It serves development. Oh, so IPFS is decentralized, but there's no incentive layer. A huge roadblock is Chrome and Firefox not supporting like ENIS. Yeah, I mean, I don't care about that right now. Not decentralized Storj. Let's go. Okay, Arweave. What's up with Arweave? Is Arweave easy? Like, I don't know if it's easy. Where's Arweave? Arweave. Learn more. Okay. Tech. Papers. Community. Build. When I go here, developers, blah, 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 blah. These part focus on blah, 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 blah. Your docs are garbage. Command line tool for deploying Node HTTP interface documentation. Arweave.js, php.go, Gore. Arweave Python client. Oh, wait, maybe it's easy. 5 months ago, yikes. All right, let's try this, guys. If this works, then we're good. Filecoin. Oh wait, I did test this already? Oh, that's right, I was testing that. Some folder on your system. So how do I get a wallet? How do I get a wallet? Docs are garbage. Oh wait, oh, what the hell? Oh, where did this? Why is this not front and center? Oh, it's because it's not very clear. Okay. Developer docs. Oh, well, hello. Where have you been? Okay, weird. Hackathon info sheet. All right, so Ceramic just responded. So right now you either need to run your own node or trust third parties, similar to IPFS. So it's just, yeah, it's not what we want at the moment, which is fine because in the future it looks like it'll be good. I just figure once the roadblock is overcome, the need for it easy. Yeah, proof of space-time, which is like basically proof of stake. The need for an easy-to-use solution for decentralized storage becomes way more urgent, so you're less likely to deal with broken and poorly done. Yeah, I think so. So what is this wallet thing? Wallet. So, right. Oh, right. Because I remember I did do this the other day. Yep, I just did this. Yep. What is this wallet thing? Wallet file path. What the get last transaction ID? Do they have a testnet? I don't think they have a testnet. I mean, at least they have good like API here. Submit a transaction. How do I get a wallet? Get a free wallet with 1 AR to try out. Okay. So it looks like there's no testnet. Looks like it's just the main net. Let's ask him on Twitter. Let's ask our friend Sam. Or I'm in the Arweave Discord too. Arweave.r dev. Is there a testnet? Oh, getting a response. You love to see it. I would love to be on Discord all the time and just like wait for people to ask Chainlink questions. That would be great. Unfortunately, I can't do that because I gotta build shit. Let's see what they say. I do like how responsive some of these communities are. To me, that's pretty important. Currently, you can just use main to test your app. Using different tags like app name, my app, testing. I can use mainnet to test my app. How do I get a wallet? Any docs on getting a wallet to try it? So I just have to use fucking mainnet. Yeah, they're being super helpful though, which is really good. And yeah, a lot of like, even though I like just made a weird noise, like a lot of these are I mean, they're super cutting edge, right? Like all these platforms have like, you know, they have their ups and downs, right? Like there's everything you need is here. Oh no, dude, it's not. Claim a token. All right, so Arweave has some issues. Hard. Arweave. No testnet. Faucet's down, so I can't even get the freaking token. Okay, so this is good. Now we're getting somewhere though. Neo, we're not even talking about Neo. 0Chain. Maybe we'll just go back to 0Chain. I mean, on the plus side, like, let's look at 0Chain one more time. Let's try to do something with 0Chain. I don't understand how 0Chain works. Oh wait, that's a Reddit. Do they have a Discord? They also don't have a Discord. Just these two guys. Try BetaNet. Developer. see. I want to see some ducks. That's right. I was here the other day. Storj. What is 0Chain? Yeah, I read that too about 0Chain. That does make me nervous. Like anytime KYC pops up, I'm like, nope, I'm good. But like maybe I don't need KYC. Storj, get conference storage, update, upload a file. Or what's the base? Oh God, no. Oh, it's just, okay. Okay. Here we go. So then I should be able to do like, oops. Oops. Cool. Okay, so that works. How do I upload storage update file or upload a file? Allocation ID. Oh wait, no, upload a file. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Is this a poster? This is post. That's right. How do you do post again? Post request. Is it just request.post? Yeah, I'm out. Okay. Allocation. Request.post. What is allocation? I don't know, dog. Oh, shit. so I got some type of error. I got some type of error. So what is allocation? Is all this stuff the allocation? Client API key. Upload meta. Upload. How do you get this allocation? Oh, wallet. Get balance. Core. Transactions. Storj update. Okay. Miner smart contract. How do I get a wallet? I gotta bounce off. All right, well, this gave us more context. All right, cool. Thanks everybody for joining. I'm being told this is functioning perfectly. It's definitely not. Later, guys. All right, bye.